The African automotive industry has witnessed significant growth in recent years, with several local manufacturers emerging to cater to the growing demand for vehicles. And two such manufacturers, which are the Kantanka from Ghana and Innoson vehicle manufacturing from Nigeria, have gained popularity for their flagship models, the Kantanka Obrempong and the IVM Ijele. In this particular video, I'm going to provide a comprehensive comparison of these two vehicles, highlighting their design features, performance, reliability, pricing, and more. So let's dive in. Kantanka Automobiles was founded by Apostle Kojosafo Kantanka, and it is a Ghanaian company that has become synonymous with technological innovation and local ingenuity. The Kantanka Obrempong, one of its flagship models, embodies the company's commitment to creating vehicles tailored to the needs of African consumers. With a focus on durability, affordability, and cutting-edge features, the Kantanka Obrempong has gained recognition as a symbol of Ghanaian excellence. Innoson vehicle manufacturing, on the other hand, is led by Innoson, and is Nigeria's first indigenous car manufacturer. The IVM Ijele, a robust and versatile SUV, reflects the company's vision of empowering African through automotive excellence. Known for its rugged performance and adaptability to diverse terrains, the Ijele has become a favorite among Nigerian drivers and a testament to the nation's industrial potential. In terms of design and features, the Kantanka Obrempong and IVM Ijele are both designed with the African consumer in mind, but they cater to different preferences. The Kantanka Obrempong boasts a sleek and functional design, emphasizing practicality and modernity, and its interior is equipped with advanced amenities, including a user-friendly infotainment system, comfortable seating, and essential safety features like airbags and ABS. The IVM Ijele, on the other hand, exudes a bold and rugged aesthetic, appealing to drivers who prioritize adventure and durability. Its spacious interior offers luxury features such as leather seats, advanced climate control, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. Safety is also a priority, with features like electronic stability control and multiple airbags, ensuring a secure driving experience. When it comes to performance and specifications, the Kantanka Obrempong and IVM Ijele cater to different needs. The Kantanka Obrempong is powered by a 4.0L V8 engine, delivering impressive power and performance. And the IVM Ijele, on the other hand, is built for rough terrains and challenging conditions. Its 3.0L turbo diesel V6 engine provides exceptional off-road capabilities, making it ideal for adventurous drivers and those living in remote areas. In terms of cultural and economic impact, beyond their technical specifications, the Kantanka Obrempong and the IVM Ijele hold significant cultural and economic value. The Obrempong represents Ghanaian innovation and serves as a source of national pride. It has also created job opportunities and inspired a new generation of engineers and entrepreneurs in Ghana. Similarly, the IVM Ijele is a testament to Nigeria's industrial potential. By producing vehicles locally, Innoson vehicle manufacturing has reduced the country's reliance on imported cars, boosting the economy and fostering a sense of self-reliance. In terms of pricing and availability, both vehicles offer good value for money, but the IVM Ijele may be a better option for those who prioritize durability and reliability. To move on with it, the Kantanka Obrempong's exterior design is bold and commanding, with a chrome-heavy grille and LED royal arch headlights. The IVM Ijele, on the other hand, has a sleek and modern design with sharp, angular lines and gloss black accents. In terms of interior features, the Kantanka Obrempong offers a palace-like experience with hand-stitched leather seats and a wooden dashboard, whilst the IVM Ijele has a more minimalist design with dual 10-inch screen, ambient lighting, and more legroom in the second row. When it comes to performance, the Kantanka Obrempong has a 4.0L V8 engine with claimed 350 HP, and the IVM Ijele has a 3.0L turbo diesel V8 V6 engine with better touch for drivers and people who afford the car. Yeah, so this is a comparison between Kantanka's Kantanka Obrempong and Innoson vehicle manufacturing's IVM Ijele. Which among them is the best is so relative, and so you may be able to choose, or you will be able to choose. Thank you for watching this video to the end. My name is Let me see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video to be part of this amazing family. Until next time, let me see you in my next video.